If you're looking for the settings feature in Microsoft Copilot, I'm going to show you where to find it. Whether or not you have a screen like this or it's minimized or whatever, and you're not seeing the sidebar or you are, you can find the sidebar on the left side, on the upper left, right next to the home button, and you can expand it. Once you do, it will show your account on the lower left. You click on your image, not the name, because the name will not do anything, but click on your image, and here you'll find settings. Once you go into the settings, you have a ton of things going on right there. You can see that you have the option to upgrade. You have privacy settings. You have manage memory connectors that you can connect various things to. For example, the Copilot. I'm going to show you quickly what is inside. So privacy settings here. You have different privacy settings. You can also have access to export or delete your history and so forth from here. You have your manage memory that you can delete memory and so forth that you have right there as well. You have your account deletion, so you can permanently delete your account, some app settings, permission settings as well. These are really cool as well because you can turn on or off file search and file read so that you can search files on your PC and read them. And you have a whole lot of things going on here, voice mode and all those different stuff right here in the settings. So if you're looking for settings for Copilot, there's a lot going on here, and that's how you can easily find it. And that's pretty much it, guys.